Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mikey here from Wall Street IO, the #1 backtesting platform for stock and option traders. With a quick update for you today, we're taking a look at Apple. Today, we're also going to take a look at some of the ARK ETFs, ARK. Many of you have traded them, but which is which? There's a few different ones I want to cover and do a review of them for you today. So right now, we're taking a look at Apple. It made a really interesting breakout this last week as it broke above this diagonal. It also broke above finally the 125, 126 level. Now we had a new high, new higher high. So you can see a high here, new higher high. We had a low and of course a higher low. So over the last month or so, we are technically in an uptrend. Now with this pullback, we came right down to support. I think 125, 126 is a really good over-under area. It was the resistance here. You can see it was the resistance here. And again, when we snap back on Friday, so far that has held as support. Now, I think as long as Apple holds the 125, 126 level right here, I think we're still good. It's sideways to up. However, if we break 125, 126, I'd be fearful that we would be filling the channel all the way back down to $120. Now, this time of year is normally pretty soft for the stock. However, the last week, we started to get a little bit more strength in it. As we round out the rest of the year, remember, we have a lot of times where the market is going to be closed. It's going to be closed all day this Friday and next Friday for Christmas and New Year's. So if you're going to trade options, you may want to buy a little bit more time than normal because the options will continue to decay even when the market is closed. So something to take into consideration. So as of right now, remember, Apple's in an uptrend, but we snap back. It looked like we completed the cycle. 125 is support. Watch out if it starts to break below it. And if we can get up and over 130, we're back to breaking out to the upside. So we do have a little bit of momentum, but we've got to see if the stock is going to continue to hold on to it through the rest of the year. Now, right now, a lot of people in the Wall Street IO community and all over the internet are talking a lot about the ARK products and ETFs. So let me do a quick little review of them. All right, so I made a quick little watch list for us to review the ARK ETFs. We've got ARKK, ARKQ, ARKW, ARKG, and ARKF. So what do these all mean? So you could actually go to ark-funds.com, and they're not like paying me or anything to do this. I just think it's important for you to know, what are the stocks that in these ETFs. So you can actually go right here and you can see each one has different stocks in it. This one is going to be all about enhancing life and the development of human life and everything like that. So this one is going to be heavily invested in things like CRISPR, something that everybody here should take a look at, CRSP. We also have ARKK. This is going to be Tesla, Roku, again, CRISPR, Square. You've heard of these companies. ARKQ, we've got, again, Tesla. We've got, this one's going to be more for robotics. So we've got things like Alphabet, Google. We've got Deere, things like that, Flare Systems. We've got ARKW. Again, this is going to be all about cloud computing and cybersecurity, all around internet. So when you scroll down again, you things like Tesla, Square, Spotify, Roku, a lot of these companies, again, overlap. This one also has Twilio and Facebook in it. So ARKG, this is also going to have things like CRISPR in it. So again, you'll see some overlap here. So before you buy or use one of these ETFs, definitely go and take a look at their website and see exactly what stocks are made up in those, because the ones that are heavily invested in Tesla are going to be impacted greatly by what Tesla stock does. But I do like these ETFs. They've cycled really, really well. They've been aggressively bullish over the last few months, getting very popular. But I just wanted to make sure that when you go and invest in them, or if you trade them, you just understand about like what the different ones mean, and you understand as well that there's some overlap between a few of them. So I hope you enjoyed this quick update. Remember, the market is closed this Friday. I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas, and on behalf of the entire Wall Street IO team, I wish you good trading and good day.